I will speak red and you will speak blue. Let's get started. Hi, how are you? How was your day? How are the things going? Are you doing well? How do you feel? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? How old are you? Are you free now? How is the weather? Is it raining there? Is it cold today? Do you like the rain? How is the sky? What's your hobby? Do you like coffee? Do you drink tea? What food do you like? Do you play sports? What music do you like? Do you like travel? Which color do you like? Do you watch movie? Do you cook food? What do you study? Which grade are you? What is your subject? Do you like school? Are the exams dates near? Did you finish your work? Where is your college? Are your studies easy? Do you study online? When are your classes? What do you do? Where do you work? How is work going? How's your business? Are you busy today? Do you like job? Is your team good? Do you work online? What time do you finish? Is work easy today? What are your plans? Is work easy today? What are your plans? Will you meet friends? Are you tired now? Was this chat good? See you later.